Hi everyone, it's me Ice, and yes, I finally got my hands on the Huda Beauty Empowered palette. When I went to Sephora, there was only like 3 left, so I had to run over there and get it. There was just a few left, of course, and guys, let me show you what it looks like. I know there's already a lot of videos out there, but look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And I'm excited about these two up here. They're like a cream color. You could definitely do like an eyeliner here. Do something smoky. That's a beautiful color. So I already put on my foundation. I'm baking at the moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get my eyes ready with my Charlotte Tilbury palette here, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have my eyes ready for the palette. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go in with Legacy for the outer corner. I just know. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Look at that. That is... Oh. I love Huda's palettes. They just never disappoint. They just never ever disappoint. Look at that. Just on the outside right for now. Oh, that is very pretty. I think for now I'm just gonna keep this on the outside. Oh, that is gorgeous. Like, I love it. And I'm gonna do the other side. So, it's looking pretty good. I know that this palette, the golds are just gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in with a gold, you guys. I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat, but I have to put some gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Charisma on the center of my lid. Wow. Oh, you guys, look how beautiful. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. If there's any Huda people watching this, I didn't get her limited edition. I think it was the Chinese New Year palette. I think a Year of the Tiger palette. Correct me if I'm wrong. That gold, I don't know if it's similar to this, but I never got my hands on that palette. And I don't know if it would be near her little like quad. She had that other quad, like the tiger one, and then the Year of the Tiger one. I might put some pictures here for reference, but if anyone knows if this gold is similar to that, please let me know. I've always loved this shade, and to have it now, I just can't. I'm quaking. It's just so pretty. So you guys, I'm gonna go in with the darker shade for the outer part of my eye. I'm gonna use Confident. That would be a beautiful smoky like auburn eye. That would be so pretty. You guys, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go and use the color Bold Moves for my under my brow bone. So I'm gonna grab a brush. Ooh, this is very glittery once again. Maybe just a little. Ooh, that's very pretty. How's that? Ooh, that's blinding. That is blinding. Ooh, maybe a little bit. This is cool. This is a oof. This is beautiful. You guys, look at that. So blinding. Maybe I put a little too much, but it's cute. It's cute. It's giving. Color called Purpose, which is right here. It's like a gelish black. So bear with me. I will time lapse this. Okay, you guys, so I went in with Bold Moves in the inner corner here. So I wanted to do something a little different from my bottom area. I'm caught in between Visionary, which is this color. Let me see if I could swatch it here. Visionary. Ooh. Visionary and I don't know, Visionary or Courageous. Let's swatch Courageous. Oh my god. I don't know, I'm so like, maybe this one right here. What was this one? Oh, Visionary. Oh my god. This Visionary looks like a color from the Naughty, the nude palette, Naughty palette. So, oh wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. You guys, you know what? Alright everyone, so this is the final look using the Empowered palette, and I love it so much, you guys. And just for you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do swatches for you, and I will have it, you know, the name of it down below. And yeah, guys, it should be available in stores. Some may not, but it should be. If you just check on the Sephora website, they should tell you your location. But you guys, guys, what can I say? This is the perfect fall palette. The pigmentation, the feel is soft and creamy, and it just blends like a dream. Like this, I'm impressed. Compared to like the other palettes, there's something different about this one. I feel like the color just lasts, and you could definitely see the colors. Like all the palettes are great, but this is different. This one is just more creamier. The colors stay. The payoff is like wonderful. I love it so much, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying the palette, and without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch every color onto my hand for you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I appreciate you. You guys are awesome. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.